What's up, man?
How you doing?
Your tags for your car.
They're in the... Probably at the house.
Huh?
They're probably at the house.
Probably?
Yeah.
Is this your car?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? And here's your driver's license and the registration.
My license is in my...
I'm sorry?
My license is in my bag.
Okay.
Can I grab it?
Yeah.
Is the RP advising of a gunshot wound?
They're advising that they're bleeding from the head.
What directions?
Keep going straight.
They did say that they were shot. Unknown about a GSW at this point.
Right here, right here. Right
The helmet is on. They're not responding at all, and they appear to have a pulse.
Soldier is never responding to close to Elm Street.
Isaiah!
Hey.
Isaiah! Can you hear us, brother?
Can you hear me?
Isaiah, can you hear
Can you
us?
hear us? Hey, listen to me. Can you hear me?
We didn't
No.
We heard the shot and I was working right there in my house in a black truck with a blue car.
You guys have your camera?
Camera.
Can we get this off? I got nowhere. I don't have anything. No idea what happened. I don't know if I can't tell if he's breathing or not.
Get them back. Have them scoot back.
I can't tell if he's breathing. I got a lot coming out.
Hey, get my
There you
AED. There you go. AED.
AED now.
Showcase by his foot.
Got it. Give me somebody to hold his head. Yes, he looks to the face.
The deputy's body camera suddenly stopped recording, and 32-year-old Deputy Isaiah Cordero was later pronounced dead, triggering a massive manhunt for the suspect. Investigators reviewed Deputy Cordero's body camera footage along with nearby flock camera recordings and identified the suspect as 44-year-old William McKay. Authorities said McKay had ties to an outlaw motorcycle gang in Southern California and a history of violent criminal offenses. According to the California Highway Patrol, he had also stabbed a police dog about a year earlier. Officers quickly shared McKay's description and vehicle information, and less than 2 hours later, an off-duty officer spotted him traveling south on Interstate 15.
Now's the time. We're gonna pin him. We gotta pin him.
Chris, are the spikes coming from the shoulder or center divider?
Shoulder, we can't get to the center. It's just the car pulling.
I'm gonna move up and cut this
All
dude
right,
off.
these are approximately 55, still no traffic, number 1 and 2 lanes.
All units be advised, there is going to be heavy traffic approaching you.
Bearcat coming up behind you guys.
Traffic approximately a half a mile, still eastbound, number 3 lane, speed of approximately 55.
Keep an eye out for spikes.
I don't see anybody. I don't see any.
I think he said Golden West. We're up. That's past traffic.
That's going to be approaching heavy traffic, Speeds are approximately 50, number 3 lane.
Let that Bearcat up front.
Stop 6 at Golden Destination.
Over, watch your right, or left. Stop 6 are deployed.
See Stop 6
I don't see him. I don't see him.
Pulling.
There's a guy, he's coming up to him.
What'd he say? He's coming up to the spikes.
Okay, the vehicle just went over the spikes. Spikes are clear, vehicle still. Number 1 lane, speeds are approximately 25.
McGuire, get behind Shane. Guys behind us, make room for the Bearcat.
Okay, the vehicle has flat tires to the rear. The vehicle is approximately going 40 miles an hour in number 1 lane.
McGuire, fall back to number 2. K9 44, the front 2 are deflated, successful spikes.
Can you guys in the slow lane move left? Bearcat's trying to get through.
Okay, vehicle is number 1 lane approaching.
Speeds are approximately 50 miles an hour. You guys, you're approaching heavy traffic to a stop.
Do you see a Bearcat? I do not see a Bearcat. Oh, here he comes. I think he's going to come up on the right. So he's got a lane? Yeah, we got a lane. Yeah, he's got a lane.
In the carpool lane. Intelligence, coming up on heavy traffic, just merge you number 2.
He's coming up.
Okay, on the right, you're right on the right.
Vehicle just merged from the number 2, number 3. Looks like it's going to be getting off. At Riverdale.
Possibly exiting at Riverdale.
Hey, Bearcat's trying to get in front of here.
That's it.
Shane, let that Bearcat in front of you.
Why move?
Watch the FedEx truck. Got it. We're all stopped on the left-hand side. Got it.
That's one on A.
Right.
I call it north south Riverdale. The bridge number 2 lane.
North on Riverdale over the bridge, number 2 lane.
It's heavy traffic getting back on the 60 west now.
There's too much congestion here, fellas, but when it's safe to do so, we're going to pit him with the Bearcat.
Freeway, real heavy traffic. He's going to be entering on the heavy traffic along the shoulder of the on-ramp.
This is going to clear up. Okay? Because they're stopping him. They're going to be holding him up here.
Okay, so along the shoulder, continuing 60, about 35 miles per hour, heavy traffic.
Bearcat 3, are you close?
Just past Valley Way, heavy traffic over here. Got it.
He's on the shoulder. Got it?
He's in the emergency lane on the side of like a retaining wall, paralleling the freeway along Canal, in between Canal and the 60 west now.
He's circling this area. This is where it happened.
Crossing over Pacific, approaching Valley.
Or if he's got friendlies here, or...
And still right shoulder of the freeway, 30 miles per hour, heavy traffic. Going to be going over Pacific here. Next exit is going to be Valley Way in about a half mile.
Can't make it back in the house. No, if he foot bails to a house, based on the totality of the circumstances, we gotta stop him from doing that.
2 lane now, in between a couple lanes, about 40 miles per hour, and traffic's opened up a little bit.
For the trailing units, start braking traffic in anticipation of a pit coming soon.
Stand by for a pit.
Approaching Pyrite and Granite Hill.
The Pyrite exit here. Looks like there is some smoking coming out of the rear tire. Just lost it. The driver's side rear tire.
Make sure our speed's correct before we try that pit. We may be going too fast now.
Here's my passenger front tire.
Front tire, got another tire.
Okay, just smoke coming from that passenger front tire. He just lost that on the freeway. Passing the Pyrite exit, going towards Pedley exit.
So remember, this turns into a shooting. We're on the right-hand side. Watch your backdrop with the freeway on the left. Yeah. We've got this concrete barrier, so it's a good backdrop, but keep your shots low if needed.
Over the bridge at Pyrite, number 1 lane, about 50 miles per hour, and light traffic.
So he's got rear left, rear passenger tires good, and looks like the front driver's side tires are about to go.
About 50 miles per hour, moving into the number 3 lane now, light traffic.
This dude is a danger to all these poor people up here ahead. He's armed.
Everyone, looks like you have light traffic all the way up to the 60. No, in between the carpool and the number 1 lane, light traffic.
Start to slow down a little bit. Yeah, 50.
It looks like number 2 lane, speeds are about 50 still, and light traffic.
Romero and Ennis, you guys try to stay on the right side of the Bearcat. Dave, myself, and Segura will stay on the left side.
About 60 miles per hour, and very light traffic. And they got the other side of the freeway shut down traffic.
Dude, how much longer can that truck go on? It's the tires. Just need one more tire. It's got the left side still.
Our main pursuit effort consists of about 7 units plus canines at Bearcat.
few cars that entered the freeway at this on-ramp, but other than that, no traffic. 60 westbound, number 2 lane, about 50 miles per hour.
If he falls into pit speed, we can pit him on this off-ramp if it's possible.
It's like entering the 15 off-ramp. I'll advise north or south here in a second.
It's going 15 south. All right, 15 south. It's
So
better
he's
than
going to take
15
it
north.
south now.
Gravity rig. Looks like his brake lights are on the off-ramp. He's on the bridge right now. Brake lights are on, slowing down. About 10 miles per hour right now.
Hit him successful? No, he's still going.
Entering onto the I-15 south here, about 35 miles per hour. Got a pit, 10 pit. Looks like he's all the way down to the carpool lane now, about 30 miles per hour.
We're doing another pit, and he's going to spin over here, Brian, so heads
Where's
up.
that?
I got you. You can go right into us. I got you. You just watch it.
Be careful bunching up, fellas. Careful bunching up, because if he TCs.
We don't want a TC.
Spin right into us. I got you. We're going to have a little warning. I got good
We copy
brakes.
passing under Cantu, approaching Lemonade.
His rims are disintegrated. Should terminate pretty soon.
Hey, Patrol Black and Whites, I need you guys to fall out.
And if we could block those exits off of 6th and Lime, and I just, it is headed that way. If he's down the rim, so we can block all that traffic entering the freeway. Carpool lane about 40 miles per hour now.
Wash me fairly. We got about 70 black and whites in this thing.
I want 2 waves. I want a primary pursuit package backed up by the second wave of ES units. I've got about 7 or 8 with me, and that's plenty right now. And then you guys just support us by running interference behind us.
Only ES units authorized into pursuit. Only ES units authorized into pursuit.
You got
Black
it.
and whites drop out. Black and whites drop out. We have a secondary ES pursuit package behind the initial.
Marshal 10, all patrol units currently engaged in the pursuit, 1022. All patrol units, black and whites, 1022.
Bearcat 3, are you close?
Crossing under the bridge on 6, approaching second.
Just hit the center divider, smoke coming out of the tail end here. Secondary pursuit package, get ready to bail over that wall if he runs. If we can CHP stop the northbound traffic.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
Third.
No, he's still moving.
A lot of night.
Just pit maneuver, the truck is still going southbound very slow. Speeds through the center divider, moving all the way over to the right hand side. About 15 miles per hour.
Clear the air. He's brandishing a handgun. He's shooting.
Brandishing and shooting a handgun.
Get ready, buddy. Get ready.
Just TC right under the bridge.
Here we go.
Under the bridge.
Suspect is down. Cease fire.
Hey, hold your fire.
Back it up. Back it up.
Back. Hold right here. Good. Back up. Watch your cover. Kill your sirens.
Check those veterans over there.
Are any of our people hit? What's that? None of us got hit, right? Let's confirm that. And then I'm going to take an element to the back of that Bearcat.
Ball speed. We're above the bridge.
Got a visual of the passenger side of the truck.
You're in charge of this team. If he goes that way, you're in charge. Got it.
I need you with your dog.
All the deputies on that side of you are code 4.
Okay, I want to take a look from the Bearcat in there so you can assess that. Here, over here.
Carl, were you a shooter? No. Okay. Take his. You engaged? Yes. Hey, Brett, you engaged? All right, get over here. Take over and point. All right, you two, go to that column. My dog is going to push. Going to try to fire at the Bearcat. Did you shoot him?
No.
Yeah, you with us.
We're good.
Back up.
I've got good off on. Dog has it. He is definitely injured. No movement. He's not appearing breathing.
William McKay was later found dead. According to the autopsy report, he suffered 12 gunshot wounds, including multiple wounds to the head, a wound that entered his lungs, and a fatal wound to the neck that severed his spinal cord. Investigators reported that officers fired a total of 79 rounds during the confrontation. A search of McKay's vehicle uncovered a bag containing a white powdery substance. The firearm authorities say was used to kill Deputy Isaiah Cordero, several credit cards believed to have been used fraudulently, and a membership card linked to a violent white supremacist outlaw motorcycle gang. McKay's criminal history dated back to 1999, when he pleaded guilty to assault with a firearm and served 3 years in prison. In 2005, he was involved in a robbery in which victims were assaulted before money was stolen. He later pleaded guilty to first-degree robbery and multiple assault charges and was sentenced to 13 years in prison. In 2021, authorities said McKay and another person held a woman against her will after accusing her of taking part in a burglary at his home. Investigators alleged that the woman and her mother were restrained and threatened. The victim eventually escaped and contacted law enforcement. 2 days later, deputies located McKay in a stolen truck. Authorities said he and an accomplice fled into the desert before being surrounded by law enforcement. During that incident, the accomplice reportedly stabbed a police K-9. After his arrest, McKay represented himself in court and chose a bench trial. A judge found him guilty of false imprisonment, evading law enforcement, making criminal threats, and receiving stolen property. He was later released on bail while awaiting sentencing. Before sentencing, McKay was arrested again on a separate drug-related charge and was released on bail once more. When he failed to appear for his sentencing hearing, a warrant was issued for his arrest. That warrant remained active when Deputy Cordero stopped him for driving without a rear license plate. Investigators later spoke with one of McKay's associates, who said McKay did not want to return to prison. 1 week after Deputy Cordero's death, he was laid to rest during a memorial service held in his honor.
It's gone. We hurt so much. My dearest Isaiah, you were taken too soon. And we do not know how we are supposed to carry on without you.
Deputy Isaiah Cordero, ID number 5662, end of watch December 29, 2022. Motor 38, Deputy Isaiah Cordero. Rest in peace. We have it from here.